Yeah, so hi everybody. This is an extremely emotional moment for me, so I thought I should let you all know that. Um, they say when you pray for something really really hard, the universe comes together to help you. So I have to really really thank Donate Cart, especially for coming forward to help. I mean, seriously. I mean, you guys have restored faith in humanity. Thank you so much for it. Thank you so much, because there was really no active organization here in Vizag, but you guys came forward. You guys have sent so much food for all the dogs around. I will make sure that none of these fur buddies go hungry, guys. I will make sure of that. And this is an honest foundation, Andy. This is an honest foundation Donate Cart. So guys, please, if you really want to donate and contribute for the needy, for the poor people, please donate to these guys, because they have been really honest and helpful. I was so desperate, and I was asking my community people. Of course they helped also. I was asking people, because there's only so much food, or only so much volume of food that I can create to help these voiceless animals. So I went out on a drive this morning, right from little piglets to dogs to cows. I went and I had about 200 rotis with me, which my community people helped me with. So I fed them. But there are so many hungry mouths out there, right from human beings to animals to... There are so many hungry people out there who need food. So please guys, let's help out. Donate Cart is one honest foundation. The minute I told them about this, that there is crisis over here and there is no active welfare association as such that can in Visakhapatnam that can help. And immediately within 2 days, they have sent me food, so much food which can easily last me for another 2 to 3 months. So I've also reached out to Robin Hood Army. Robin Hood Army has also gladly accepted my request to help me out in distribution of this food evenly. So yeah guys, I mean, if you really want to help, please donate to these guys. Please donate to these guys. Help Andy. Even 1 rupee, even 1 rupee, like Nena community wal nunchi adiganu, please just donate. Just give me 1 roti from every apartment, so I can go and feed the hungry animals and the needy people out there who need food right now. My community guys, they gave me nothing less than 15 rotis each. That is how they helped me out. So every drop matters, and you don't have to make huge donations. You can even donate even 1 rupee. I have about 2 million people on my page, about 3.5 million people on my Facebook. All I need is just 1 rupee, guys. I'm not saying donate huge amounts or anything. Please donate even a rupee. Just a rupee is good enough, it takes every drop to make an ocean. So even 1 rupee is good enough, guys. Just go donate and let's help. Let's help. So once again, thank you so much, Donate Cart. Thank you so much. Thank you so I cannot thank you enough in this lifetime for coming forward without even me asking for it. Without me even asking for it, you guys came forward and you decided to help me out. So thank you so much for it. Meerandaru kuda, please, మీ ఏరియాలో కానీ మీ లొకాలిటీలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు యానిమల్స్ని కానీ పూర్ పీపుల్ని కానీ ప్లీజ్ హెల్ప్ చేయండి. ఇట్ డజంట్ టేక్ మచ్ అండి. కావాలంటే మీరందరూ యూ కెన్ కమ్ టుగెదర్ యాజ్ అ కమ్యూనిటీ ఇన్ దిస్ టైమ్ ఆఫ్ క్రైసిస్. కలెక్ట్ లైక్ one chapati maybe from everyone and just help whoever needs it. Just help whoever needs it. So I know I mean, it was just, I wanted to convey these emotions to all of you, because the minute in the morning the consignment came, Iroju morning our consignment ragane, the minute I saw all that food, I was just coming back from one of my feeding drives. The minute I saw all that food, I just got so emotional. I was like, oh my God, God has heard my prayers, and seriously, I just got so emotional about it. because we listen to such things happening and we listen ki itla jarugutundi atla jarugutundani itla help ochindi atla help ochindi kani nijanga nenu eppudu itlantidi experience cheyaledu. And when I experienced it, I thought I should share this joy with all of you, and I'm sharing this joy with all of you. So even you guys can do this. Please go ahead, donate to Donate Cart. Help as much as you can, most importantly. Even at your level, even at your point, from your point of view also you can help. So just go out and help as much as you can. Just not with regard to the lockdown only, not only because there's a lockdown now, even in the future. Help the voiceless, help the needy as much as you can. Alright, thank you so much guys, thank you so much for joining me and sharing this emotional moment with me. And there's a lot of work to be done. I am looking out for volunteers to help me, and Robin Hood Army has come forward. Robin Hood Army is helping out. So yeah, so guys, once again I can't thank Donate Cart enough. Donate Cart, you guys rock. Thank you so much guys. Please go and donate. Please go and donate. They really help out if you reach out to them. So please go and donate to Donate Cart. Thank you. Bye guys, have a great morning, have a great day ahead.